pa yung ginagawa niya na exercise. Tapos may pro tip pa siya. Pwede kang sumali sa gym, pwede kang mag-yoga, pwedeng spin in a great way to get fit and enjoy. Ayan, find a gym and sign up today. So, ayan, may suggestion. We need at least 150 minutes. Ito pala yun. Ang suggestion niya kay Hans, dapat 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity like walking or biking throughout the week or 75 minutes of high intensity workout. So, ilagay, exercise is a must. Yan. Heart health, kumusta naman? 15. So, very good. Yan. Tapos sinasabi kung ano ang maganda, ano ang relevance ng heart natin. Yun yung lifeline ng body natin, pumping oxygen and nutrients to every cell, organ, tissue, and muscle that we have. Ayan. So, pag may heart disease ka, yan, being the #1 cause of death in the world, not making our heart a priority can lead to devastating health consequences. Ayan, so may suggestion siya. Tapos sinasabi dito kung at risk ka ba sa diabetes, low, medium, high. So ibig sabihin, pag ang score mo nasa high, at risk ka sa diabetes. Okay, so ito yung recommendation ni Dr. Ryan Goodkin sa yung heart. Ayan, merong organic super greens, di ba? Ito naman, sa diabetes, since low ang score mo, pero kailangan mo pa rin ng magnesium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids para ma-maintain yan na mo. O, di ba? And then, sa metabolism mo, good din. May mga suggestions din siya. And then, meron uling recommendation. Ano kaya ang recommendation niya kahit nag-good ang iyong metabolism? So, ito, vitamin D3, K2, super greens, chlorophyll, zeolite detox, and healthy coffee dahil merong green tea extra. Ayan, okay? And then, sa sleep, nako, 5 to 6 hours lang ang sleep mo. Sabi niya, it plays a role in nearly every aspect of our lives. Yan, ano ang suggestion? If you need help sleeping, high quality CBD oil. Ayan, nagsasuggest na naman siya ng CBD oil. Ang hydration level niya very low, so it is not enough, no, yung half gallon na iniinom. Okay? So kailangan mo ng, since ang ideal weight mo is 152 pounds, kailangan mong uminom ng 76 ounces of water per day. And if you're drinking soda or other unhealthy drinks loaded with sugar, tanggalin mo, sabi niya, and replace them with water. Now, we have the hydration amplifiers, no, to complement the water that we drink. Yan. And your results will be much faster. Meron siya uling pro tip. Get 1 gallon water bottle, fill it in the morning, and drink it throughout the day. So, kailangan mo ng 1 galon para i-monitor mo. Kailangan maubos mo yon within the day. Yan, to keep you on track. Okay? Yan, so, dapat pala 1 gallon, ano? Hindi half gallon. Okay? Suggestion. Sometimes water alone is not enough to hydrate our cells. A hydration amplifier with electrolytes taken once a day can also improve your... Yan, nagsasuggest na naman siya. Ito, protein. Mababa ang protein intake niya kasi hindi niya alam. So, probably kung hindi niya alam, nasa less than 50 grams yan. Okay? So, sinasabi din, ano ang relevance ng pagtitake ng protein. It is essential for building and repairing tissues throughout the body and maintaining your lean muscle mass. Okay, remember, one sign of aging is muscle loss. So, kailangan i-maintain natin yan. No? Ayan. So, sabi nito, such as, additionally, it plays a crucial role. Pag sinabi mong crucial, very important role. No, such as enzyme production, immune system support, hormone regulation. So, kailangan mag-take tayo ng 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So, if you weigh 180 pounds, for example, you should be consuming 180 grams. Okay? Meron akong sukatan dyan. So, meron uling nire-recommend si Doc Ryan. Ano yan? 1 scoop of Live Good Complete plant-based. Diba? Ayan. Okay. Stress level. Naku, medium ang stress level niya. O, ito pa pala, ang suggestion dun sa protein, ano? So, food like meats, beans, nuts, and eggs are high in protein. So, mataas sa protein yung mga yan. Often, a high-quality protein supplements with 220 grams of protein per serving can help you meet your daily goals. Stress level, medium, medyo medium. Tapos sinasabi na ang stress pala, especially when it's chronic, can weaken the immune system. Kaya shout out sa mga laging stress. Ayan, sinasabi dito, nakakapagpababa ng immune system. Kaya pag mababa immune system mo, mas susceptible tayo sa illness and, of course,
Beb, hindi mo
it can existing health conditions. Tapos, additionally, anong sinasabi niya? Pag mataas daw ang stress level mo, nalilink yan sa increased risk of mental health disorders such as anxiety, depression, cardiovascular problems, heart disease. So, kailangan ang stress natin is under control to maintain a healthy body. Ayan. Okay, ang dami ang daming suggestion. Grabe talaga to. Nakaka-amaze itong ating Tapos may suggestion pa siya. Focus on getting 8 hours per night of sleep. Naku, guilty ako dyan. Exercising daily and eating right. All of this can play an important role in regulating your stress levels. So, stress levels, yung regular sleep. And then, ano sinasabi nito? Recommendation niya na high quality CBD oil or kung hindi pwedeng CBD oil dyan sa Pilipinas, organic greens drink and definitely a high quality of magnesium supplement o yung ating magnesium. And then yung social interaction, napakababa. So it is very important din pala na makipag-socialize tayo paminsan-minsan, no, for overall health as it promotes emotional well-being by reducing stress and loneliness. So nakakatulong daw yon para ma-reduce ang ating pagiging malungkutin at para ma-reduce ang ating stress while also fostering a sense of belonging and support. Yan. So, ano ang pro tip niya? You join a community like DMW na laging mataas ang energy, ayan, or any community na alam nyo that would help you, na magre-resonate yung energy ninyo. It's a great way to get fit and enjoy the support of others. Yan, pwede ding gym class. Yan. Okay. Suggestion, ano pa? Join a club in your local area, whether a book club, knitting club, pickleball club. Yan. At church, your entire quality of life improves when you have other people in it. No? So, napaka-importante po talaga ang support system. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. And of course, ano pa suggestion niyo dito? Toxin load, medium. Ayan, ako, exposed siya. Doon sa tinanong kanina na malapit ka ba sa highway, meron palang bearing yun, ano? O kaya may nakapark ba na kotse dyan sa harap ng bahay mo? Yan, environmental exposure and toxicity is something most of us don't pay a lot of attention to, but could be a serious threat to our health and safety as it can negatively impact our metabolism, immune system, stress, and cortisol response, and ultimately cause, ayun, so, dapat aware din tayo sa environment natin. So, ano sinasuggest niya ngayon? Try to avoid environments with a lot of pollutants. Try to limit the amount of canned goods, food you eat. Nako, sa mga matakaw sa delata. Ayan, okay? Don't microwave plastics and get fresh air often. So my suggestion ulit sa Doc Ryan, which is chlorophyll and zeolite. Your goals, ito na yung goal. Ang goal ni Hans is to build muscle. So sabi niya, congratulations on taking the first step toward achieving your goals. Ayan, you're already ahead of 99% of people who never get started. But this is just the beginning. Yan. So ito na yung overall na message ni Doc Ryan. Taking your health seriously is crucial to achieve the vibrant and fulfilling life you envision. Remember, every positive choice you make, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. So ito na yun, no? And then, ayan, kung meron kang questions, ano sabi niya, if you ever have any questions, need advice, or just want to share your awesome result, tignan nyo how very welcoming they are. You can email me, and then Lisa, and then we respond to every email. It's our mission to help you achieve your goals. Let's do this together. O, di ba? Building rapport na yan. So, ibig sabihin, you are having meron support system dito sa Live Good, no, na